So the summer is finally over. Well, not finally, but it's over. Kids are back to school, and we're about to enter the last 4 months of 2025. So I just wanted to give a small prediction of what I think will happen in the real estate in the upcoming 4 months, and let's see how we can finish this year strong. So here's where we stand. In Canada, the Bank of Canada reduced the rate in the past year and a half several times. But what happened in the past couple of weeks, the GDP was actually negative. It was negative 1.6%, showing that there is a contraction in the economy. And to deal with that, the Bank of Canada most likely would need to reduce the rate again. And the next rate reduction is coming later this month. In the United States, it's pretty much an open battle between the government and the Feds, with President Trump openly telling them, listen, you need to lower the rate finally because the economy is doing well and we need to put more fuel into that. So finally, after refusing to lower the rates, the Feds announced in their speech end of August that indeed that's the plan. They will start doing the rate reduction. So the question now remains is whether it's going to be 2 or 3 rate reductions and whether every reduction is going to be 25 or 50 points. In any case, they signaled the beginning, and that is going to fuel more deals, not just in real estate, but in business overall. And the last part that's extremely important is that the private equity firms, they sit on literally on trillions of dollars funds that were not invested. And like everybody, like any other investor, they wait for the right conditions for that to happen. With that being said, they cannot wait too long because every time investors gives money to those funds, they expect the funds to be placed, put to work. And when the funds are collected and nothing happens, the funds usually have a lifespan between 5 to 10 years, and they need to put the funds to work. So with the reduction of the rates, the upcoming reduction of the rates this September, starting from this September, I expect that more money are going to be placed to work, and I'm talking about institutional money, not the private people, not the $50,000, $100,000 per investment. I'm talking about millions and billions of dollars that are going to be placed towards real estate or any other businesses. And usually when it starts big, then it goes to smaller investors, and the new wave might begin. So this is my prediction. We might see a start of a new wave. How big the wave is going to be, we do not know. I might be completely wrong. So don't take it as a granted. Again, I cannot foresee the future. But probably we're going to start seeing a turnaround, more funds being placed into real estate and other businesses, more deals are going to be done, and the deals in real estate, the buyers will come back eventually with the lower mortgage rates. The bigger problem today is that there are enough buyers, but those buyers cannot qualify with the high mortgage rates. So once the mortgage rates are lower, we will see more buyers coming back to the market as well. And hopefully we will see a new wave of real estate deals in both Canada and the United States. So let's see how we can capitalize on that. I hope my prediction helps.